Okay, let's practice using sum or difference formulas for our trigonometric functions. So in this example, we're trying to figure out what is sine of u minus pi over 2. So hopefully pretty obvious here. We want to use sine and the difference formula for sine. So we're looking right here in the middle, kind of listed out the most common, sine, cosine, and tangent on the right-hand side. Basically, we want to line things up, plug them into the formula, and simplify down as much as possible. So our formula is written with alphas and betas. So what we want to do is wherever we see an alpha, we're going to replace it with a u. And wherever we see a beta, we're going to replace it with a pi over 2. So just writing out our formula, we have sine times cosine minus cosine times sine. And in these spots, I just want us to kind of look over here at the right-hand side. We have an alpha. We have an alpha, so each one of these is going to get replaced with a u. So fitting it into the formula, there's a u, there's a u. All right, we have a beta in our formula right here. And right here, well, each one of those is going to get replaced with a pi over 2. So pi over 2, just kind of fitting it into the formula in the correct places. Well, from here, like I said, we can simplify down a little bit further. We can bring along our sine of u out here in front, but we can evaluate cosine of pi over 2. Well, cosine of pi over 2 works out to be 0. All right, so sine of u multiplied by 0 there to begin with, minus, bring down the cosine of u, and then we can evaluate the sine of pi over 2, works out to be 1. So just kind of filling that in for sine of pi over 2. Well, what other reducing down can we do in this situation? Well, it looks like we have 0 multiplied by sine of u out in front here. 0 multiplied by anything works out to be 0. So really we're looking at 0 minus cosine of u times 1, which is cosine of u. And we can really drop that 0 out in front. This is just going to be negative cosine of u. And it's not going to simplify any further from that. So we're going to go ahead and say that is our final solution, the most reduced down this can be. So hopefully it makes sense as we're just kind of using the formulas, getting used to filling in whatever is in our difference over on the left-hand side in for the correct alpha or beta from the formula where that gets plugged in. Hope this helps out. Good luck. Keep practicing. You'll get there.